So inside the tool, you can say, okay, I want to test my service to see the results. So I have a form user, and I have, okay, profile image URL. Okay, this is what I was looking for. So the icon will be the field profile image URL. Okay, I save it, I run it, and let's look for some tweets about Adobe. Come on, Karen. Ah. Oh, that's a good sign. Maybe I lost the connection. Oh, it's coming back. Okay, it's coming back. And now I have this nice icon renderer for my devices. Okay, so now let's see the results directly on the different devices, okay? So Rupert, if you can just come and help me. So usually I use a webcam, but it's not smooth enough. So I will try to use my camera this time. First time we are trying this. Live shoot view. So you can see something. Okay. Yeah. Is it sharp? Okay. Can you try? It's not easy, but okay. Don't move. Okay, don't go. So for instance, this is more or less the same application that I've developed. So I wanted to build a demo connected to Salesforce.com. So here are my contacts with the list, and you can see the performances on Android. It's very smooth. Then I can select a user, it will push a view. Then here are all my products available with the prices coming from Salesforce for this user. And I can configure, so set up something here using charting components and place an order. So that you can see the performances on this Android device. Now, more challenging. Let's see on my iPad the same application running. And as you can see, you have exactly the same performance, even on the iPad, even on the iPhone. I have an iPhone on the booth if you want to check, iPhone 3GS. And exactly the same experience. Yeah, charting components. And I can place the order. So with exactly the same code base in this case, but you can also choose to apply a CSS for iOS so that it looks like an iOS application, and another CSS for Android, and another one for the BlackBerry Playbook, okay, with the same code base. Okay, I think we are done, but you can stay here. Okay. You can take your tablet. Because I just want to spend a few minutes with you to talk about this new opportunity for us, for application developers. Because I don't think that we will just copy-paste what we have done with Flex for enterprise customers on the desktop in the tablet. I think that we will extend our existing applications with mobile and tablet devices and leverage these new capabilities, such as the camera, the GPS, the microphone, etc., etc. This is a fantastic opportunity for us. And I just want to share with you a prototype that we have developed for a customer using LCCS. So Lifecycle Collaboration Service is a hosted services by Adobe. It's free for developers, so you can open an account and play with it. And we provide open source components to enable a video chat, if you want to send messages in real time, if you want to share a form, a text chat, if you want to draw on the screen, if you want to share a screen, etc., etc. And also, it can enable peer-to-peer communications. So this is very powerful. Imagine you have 100 users using your mobile application or on tablet devices or on the desktop, sharing information in real time using peer-to-peer, because peer-to-peer is now inside Flash. And we provide also a Java API. So to show you how it works, I will launch my code on the desktop. So this will be my desktop user. And I just want you to realize that this application is, I think, I coded less than 200 lines of code, okay? And the source code is on my blog. I will share the URL. And now, Rupert and I, we are just launching the exact same application, exact same code on our tablet devices. Okay, so Rupert, you are here. And I'm here, okay. So here you can see 3 users in the room. First, I will start my camera here. Okay, so you can see me, Rupert, and I will start this one. Okay, communicating in real time. And as you can see, can you say hello? I just want to check the latency. Okay, I think this is using peer-to-peer because the latency is pretty good. Okay, you want to say hello? Okay, say hello. Then we will switch to the second screen, and I will take a picture, okay? So let's say I'm on the field and I need an advice from an expert who works at the headquarters. So I will take a picture. I will take a picture of you. Okay, I will click on Save. Because in this case, I am uploading a high-definition picture. Okay, it's not like the webcam. So we can zoom in and we can really talk about it. So this is still uploading the high-definition, high-resolution picture. And once uploaded, we should receive a message, and it will be on the 3 screens. So let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, so this is downloading the picture now. And now I'm able to chat, also using voice over IP. You can use voice over IP with this service. And using the whiteboard, I will say, okay, look at this guy. He's very, he's fantastic. Okay. Who is he? Okay. This one is playing with his nose. You can draw in real time, okay, and share information, of course. So this is what we call real-time collaboration. And also, when you have a lot of users, we provide a check-in, check-out mechanism. So in this case, if I select the second field, it will be disabled for all the users, and I can update it in real time. Okay, so country, let's say, I will try to update it and say London. Okay, and in real time, you can see it's updated. Again, I think that this screen is only 15 lines of code. Very easy to code. Thank you, Rupert. You can stay, you don't worry. So, as a conclusion, this is a fantastic new opportunity, but that's also a very big technical challenge. And I know that at JAX, you are all Java rock stars, okay? Because you attend this conference, you want to know more stuff, etc. So my advice is that you will need to focus on the user experience on all these tablet devices and connect all these screens to your Java backend. So I really encourage you to look at Flex, especially if you are Java developers, because it should only take 3 or 4 days to understand the concept and develop your first application on the desktop or on the tablet devices. And I've heard that there are a lot of people, especially in London, looking for Flex developers. So that's a huge market. And look at what you could become, Java and Flex rockstar. That's something else. You can also, we are launching a contest just for you, okay? Just for the JAX attendees. So if you go on tinyurl.com/Adobe JAX, during the conference, you can win a Motorola Xoom. So the Xoom is the new Android 3 tablets, and by default, there is Flash and Adobe Air on this tablet, so you can test everything that I've shown directly on this beautiful tablet. So tinyurl.com/Adobe JAX. And tomorrow at 3:45 p.m., I will run a technical workshop, okay? So I will deep dive into the code. I will show you how you can use multi-touch, how you can deploy your application, and everything from A to Z to develop a mobile application. And I think that's it. So my blog is areagora.com, where you will find the source code of all my samples, okay, including the one with the tablet and the screen sharing, the video chat. And I think that the best way to start with Flex is just to go here, flex.org, okay? You will have the links to download the tools, and there is a showcase page that will show you what you can do with Flex, with hundreds of examples. And also my advice is to download Tour de Mobile Flex if you have an Android device, or Tour de Flex on your desktop, because inside Tour de Flex there are more than 600 samples with the source code. So you can see how to use Flex with maps, Flex with data visualization, and a lot of fun stuff with Flex. And you can follow me on Twitter and Chaize. And I think that I'm done. Okay, so thank you.